Have you ever wondered what it would be like to drive worry-free from speeding tickets? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the concealed radar laser system we finished on this C8 Corvette. Here is the Radenso radar and AL priority laser jammers, which is a universal system that we modified to seamlessly integrate into each vehicle we work on. For the front of the vehicle, the setup has 3 laser jammers that will prevent a laser gun from obtaining your speed. We fabricated housings for the laser jammers to aesthetically blend them into the bumper. The front radar detector and GPS antennas are hidden behind the bumper and will alert you of police officers ahead. The Radenso display controller was flush mounted into the overhead panel and can easily be returned to stock if removed. 3 laser jammers were mounted to the rear of the bumper above the license plate to prevent a laser gun from obtaining your speed from behind. A laser jammer housing was created to hide the jammers behind one lens and to prevent modifying the bumper when mounting and routing the wires for the jammers. The rear radar detector was hidden behind the bumper with a fabricated bracket and will alert you of police threats from behind. Lastly, before and after our installations, we use laser guns to test the vehicles to make sure the jammers are working properly and are in the best location for maximum performance. You can see in these clips the Corvette is jamming the laser gun from the back and the front. If you have any questions or want to get in touch with us, the best ways are either by giving us a call or sending an email. This is Becky from Automods in Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media so you can keep up to date on all of our latest projects.